So most people in crypto, especially if you hold altcoins, feel like this BMX bike rider right now. And I get it because a lot of people are down 20, 30, 40, or 50% on their altcoins depending on when you bought and what you got. But what I want to talk about in this video is why I do not think we are at the end of the crypto market cycle. And I want to start out by sharing a couple bullish stories, everything going on with crypto, and explain to you maybe why the price hasn't gone up as much as it otherwise should have. But first, right here from Into the Cryptoverse, this is Bitcoin's market cycle bottom ROI. Essentially, Bitcoin's performance has been exactly on par with the previous two bull market cycles, the one that started in 2017 and then the one that started in 2021. So we are in the middle of both of those two cycles. And in 2021, that was the year Solana at its peak did over a 143x for the year. And Dogecoin did over a 64x in 2021. And this is Bitcoin's year-to-date ROI. So 2025 is where we are right now. We are above 2021 and 2017 for Bitcoin. And like I just showed you, altcoins did incredibly well in 2021 and 2017. So far, what we're looking at is just on par with previous post-halving years, the year after the Bitcoin halving. So let me share with you some really bullish news, insanely bullish news that a lot of you guys maybe have heard about, but I want to talk about why it's happening and what I think it will mean for the rest of this year. So here, BlackRock has filed for an in-kind redemption for their Bitcoin ETF, meaning investors can redeem their shares for actual Bitcoin instead of cash. Very cool. Here, Michael Saylor said SAB 121 has been rescinded, allowing banks to custody Bitcoin. And in my opinion, banks will custody Bitcoin. Now, there are counter arguments to why this is a good thing, because then maybe banks could rehypothecate and they will essentially go insolvent because they do not have enough Bitcoin in order to pay people back if they do what they usually do when it comes to fractional reserve lending, etc. But nonetheless, I think this is a very good thing for the price of Bitcoin. 2 days ago, Trump signed the order for the USA to be the world capital for crypto, which is very good as well. And then Trump said he wants to make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto. I'll be talking more about AI coins and how I think that's going to affect AI blockchain projects in a future video. But for this video, I just want to show you that this is all incredibly bullish. Larry Fink recently said, I want the SEC to rapidly approve the tokenization of bonds and stocks, which would be very good for real world assets, which we'll talk about again in a future video. And then 2 days ago, Trump signed an executive order on creating a crypto stockpile. So all of this happened within the last 2 to 3 days. So when people are looking at the prices of cryptos, a lot of people are confused because, Bitcoin's doing okay, but altcoins keep taking hits. And people are like, what's going on here? What's going on? Why is my Trump coin down? Why are my other coins down? Did I buy too late? Is crypto a scam? And I'm seeing a lot of these people in the comments. And if that's you, I get it if you bought the top of the market back in December. Like if you bought the top and this is your first cycle, I can imagine why you would be feeling like this. Essentially, I am down 20, 30, 40% on my altcoins. This sucks. I'm angry and I don't want to be here anymore. Like I totally get it. But as a lot of you guys know, I've been in this space since 2013 and I've been through many market cycles, and everything that I'm looking at shows that we are not done yet. Another really bullish news is Senator Cynthia Lummis said she is honored to chair the Senate Banking Subcommittee on digital assets. And CZ, the CEO of Bennett, says U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve pretty much confirmed. Crypto moving at crypto speed again. So why hasn't the price of Bitcoin and altcoins gone up a ton, right? They are literally going to be adding crypto, not just Bitcoin, which is a lot of people have an issue with, adding it to the US stockpile. So what I think is happening is there is some price suppression happening here. I think that there are third parties that are suppressing the price of altcoins and Bitcoin because they want to load their bags up first before they announce what they're going to be doing. Now, what's happening is that there's a lot of talk that XRP and other companies may be added to the US stockpile. And a lot of people have a huge problem with that because they put Bitcoin in one category and every single altcoin in a completely different category. And adding other coins other than Bitcoin to the US stockpile, people have a lot of issues with, which I totally get their reasoning. So in my opinion, they have not announced which coins the US is basically going to be buying. So they want to keep the price of those altcoins down, including Bitcoin, which they have basically announced. And they want to load up, essentially buy these altcoins before the price rallies hard. And speaking of crypto, so Michael Saylor says the crypto renaissance has officially begun. And a lot of people, as a side note, have been like, Michael, you've been the strongest Bitcoin-only person on the planet, and now you're saying crypto, whereas he's always says there's no second best, it's Bitcoin and Bitcoin only, etc. So we're seeing this shift in how people are talking. People that have been Bitcoin maximalists are now saying crypto instead of just Bitcoin. And it's just something to be aware of. I think it's good for the space, though. If you are invested in things that are not just Bitcoin, I think this new kind of rhetoric, this new language of previous Bitcoin maxis now saying crypto instead of just Bitcoin is a very good thing. So when it comes to the price of Bitcoin, we haven't really seen a strong breakout yet, right? We are seeing this choppy sideways action for a long time. This started over 2 months ago in mid-November, where we were at around 90, then we went up to about 100, back down to 90, up to 108, back down to 90, right? We've been seeing this sideways action. So until we really break out, and we break out affirmatively, it's still too soon to know short term what's going to be happening with the price of Bitcoin. Long term, I believe we are going to go to $150,000, probably early spring to summer, in my opinion. But short term, it's impossible to know because there can be a lot of manipulation of the price, and there could be a lot of external forces like some markers with the economy that can come through that can rattle the market short term. But long term, super bullish as always. Bitcoin dominance has been going up a little bit, which essentially means that more of the market cap of cryptocurrencies is going into Bitcoin, which makes sense because a lot of altcoins have been down, but Bitcoin has been pretty solid so far. So in future videos, I'll talk about what I'm buying, what I'm looking at, what coins in the AI and the gaming sector, and also the real world asset sector that I am looking at, including other sectors as well that I think are still very undervalued. But for now, I just want to finish the video that all things are pointing to an increase in the global money supply, not just in the United States, but worldwide. People will be printing their fiat currency. That's what always happens. So you want to hold the assets that traditionally go up when there's an increase in the money supply, Bitcoin being one of them. And then when Bitcoin goes up, there's always this cascade from Bitcoin to Ethereum, Solana, and then larger coins, smaller coins, etc. And I do not see personally that trend stopping for this year and this cycle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to pick up some trading bonuses, BTCC is offering a 10% bonus on your deposit, up to $10,000 with super low trading fees. And also we have Weeks, which is one of the best for altcoin pairs. They have over 500 altcoins on that website if you want to pick up bonuses there. I hope you guys are doing well. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.